In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add custom fonts to WordPress with Elementor, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Custom fonts can instantly upgrade the look of your website and help your brand stand out instead of using the same default fonts everyone else uses. We'll go through the entire process from your WordPress dashboard all the way to applying the font inside Elementor. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin area. From here, go to your dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your website, including themes, plugins, and settings. Next, we're going to install a theme that works perfectly with Elementor and custom fonts. Go to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New. In the search bar, type Astra. Astra is a lightweight and very popular theme that integrates seamlessly with Elementor. Once you see Astra, click Install, and after it finishes installing, click Activate. Now that Astra is active, we're ready to add custom font support. To do this, go to Plugins and then click Add New. In the plugin search bar, type Custom Fonts by Brainstorm Force. This plugin allows you to upload and manage your own fonts inside WordPress. When you find the plugin, click Install Now. And once the installation is complete, click Activate. After activating the plugin, you'll see a new option available in your WordPress menu. Go to Appearance and then click on Custom Fonts. This is where you'll upload and manage your custom font files. Click on Add New Font. Give your font a name so you can easily recognize it later. Then upload your font files. It's recommended to upload multiple formats like WOFF, WOFF2, or TTF to ensure maximum browser compatibility. Once your font files are uploaded, save the font. Now the custom font is officially added to your WordPress site. The final step is to actually use the font inside Elementor. Go to your website and open any page you want to edit. Click Edit with Elementor. Once Elementor loads, click on a text widget or add a new text block to the page. In the Elementor panel on the left, go to the Style tab, then open Typography. Click on the Font Family dropdown, and you should now see your custom font listed there. Select it, and instantly your text will update with your custom font. You can also adjust font weight, size, line height, and spacing to perfectly match your design. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to add custom fonts to WordPress with Elementor. Custom fonts are a powerful way to create a unique and professional-looking website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.